Borneo, where hidden treasures are, feeding themselves through the greens, each element completing each other, boasting its beauty to mankind, a world full of wonders. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy of the Malayan rainforest. Birds chirp and exotic insects buzz. A Malaya tiger, Magla, with stunning orange fur and black stripes, stalks silently through the undergrowth. Her eyes are watchful, her movements deliberate. This is my home. The rainforest, with its secrets and its dangers, is in my blood. Deep within the emerald cloak of the Malayan rainforest, a solitary hunter reigns supreme, the Malayan tiger, with its stripes as bold as brush strokes and a coat the color of burnished copper, is a marvel of evolution. Built for stealth, its small ears minimize heat loss during daytime hunts, and its whiskers twitch with every rustle, detecting hidden prey. Though the Malayan tiger is the smallest of its kin, it's a powerful predator. Deer, wild boar, even sun bears tremble at his silent stalk. But this magnificent creature, a symbol of strength and resilience, is now a fading whisper in the rainforest. Deep in the heart of Borneo, the world's oldest rainforest, lives an incredible species, the orangutan. These gentle giants, with their reddish fur and intelligent eyes, are clinging to existence in a rapidly changing world. This is Kalati, an orphan orangutan separated from her mother at a young age. Now she must learn to survive on her own in this unforgiving environment. Kalati's journey is fraught with challenges. Food is scarce and dangers lurk everywhere. But Kalati is a resilient young orangutan, and she is determined to survive. Fortunately, there are people like Budi who dedicate their lives to protecting orangutans. At the Rehabilitation Center, orphan orangutans like Kalati receive care and learn the skills they need to survive in the wild. Scene. Under Budi's care, Kalati begins to thrive. She learns essential skills and starts to form bonds with other orangutans. The ultimate goal is to release these rehabilitated orangutans back into their natural habitat. It's a bittersweet moment, but also a chance for Kalati to start a new life. Back in the rainforest, Kalati faces new challenges, but she is no longer alone. She has the skills and the support of her new orangutan family. Kaladi's story is one of hope and resilience. It is a testament to the amazing adaptability of orangutans and the dedication of those who work to protect them. The Borneo Rainforest is a lush and vibrant ecosystem teeming with life. But it's also a challenging environment. To survive here, animals need to be tough and adaptable. The bearded pig is perfectly suited for this rainforest life. These pigs are stocky and muscular, with thick fur that protects them from the thorns and dangers of the rainforest. But their most distinctive feature is their beard, a mane of coarse bristles that runs from their cheeks down their throats. Scientists believe this beard may help protect them during fights with other males. Bearded pigs are omnivores. They eat both plants and animals. They use their strong snouts to dig in the forest floor for roots, grubs, and worms. They also eat fruits, leaves, and even small mammals. Bearded pig mothers are very caring and will fiercely protect their young. They give birth to litters of up to 6 piglets, and the piglets will stay with their mother for several months until they are old enough to fend for themselves. The Borneo bearded pig is a fascinating creature that plays an important role in the rainforest ecosystem. These pigs help disperse seeds through their droppings, and they also control the populations of insects and other small animals. Sadly, the bearded pig is threatened by habitat loss and hunting. But conservation efforts are underway to protect these remarkable pigs and ensure their survival for generations to come. Imagine a world shrouded in emerald green. This is the Borneo Rainforest, where sunlight struggles to pierce the dense canopy of towering trees. The oldest rainforest on Earth, teeming with life that has thrived for over 130 million years. Here are some fascinating facts about the Borneo Rainforest. Borneo's rainforest boasts the title of being the oldest rainforest in the world, estimated to be twice as old as the Amazon rainforest. This verdant island is a biodiversity hotspot, home to countless unique species of plants and animals. From the majestic orangutans swinging through the trees to the elusive clouded leopards. Borneo's rainforest is a nature lover's paradise. Sadly, despite its resilience, the Borneo rainforest faces threats from deforestation and habitat loss. In the bushy lands of Borneo lives the woodpecker, a master of storage. Woodpeckers have a special talent for collecting and storing acorns. They use their strong beaks to hammer acorns into tiny holes they've drilled in trees. They can store thousands of acorns in these hidden granaries. Their exceptional memory helps them recall the location of each acorn, even months later. Through the rainforests of Borneo, there lives a fascinating creature called the Bornean deer. Unlike its mainland cousins, barely reaching the size of a medium-sized dog, the Bornean deer is the smallest deer species in Southeast Asia. But what it lacks in stature, it makes up for in resilience. Their tiny hooves are perfect for navigating the dense undergrowth of the forest floor, and their unique barking calls help them keep in touch with their fawns. One of the most interesting facts about the Bornean deer is their tusks. Unlike most deer, both males and females have these sharp upper canine teeth. Scientists believe these tusks are used for fights between females over territory and mates, as well as for self-defense against predators. Borneo's rivers are home to some of the largest crocodiles in the world. The estuarine crocodile. These crocodiles are ambush predators. They lie low in the water. Nearly invisible, waiting for unsuspecting prey to come close. Their powerful jaws and sharp teeth can deliver a bone-crushing bite. Despite their fearsome reputation, crocodiles are an important part of the Bornean ecosystem. They help control prey populations and keep the rivers healthy. The vast Borneo Rainforest, teeming with life, is an irreplaceable natural wonder. Cloud-piercing peaks to the lush green depths, this ancient ecosystem is a powerhouse of biodiversity. But this vital resource faces threats from deforestation and climate change. By supporting conservation efforts,